Ready to supercharge your Zoho CRM and watch your sales soar. Let's dive into customizing your lead stages. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you have administrator privileges, as this customization requires it. Next, look for the setup icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now, under the customization section, you'll find a variety of options. Select modules and fields. From the list of modules, locate and select the leads module. This is where we'll be customizing the lead stages. Scroll down until you find the stage field. This is the field we need to modify. Click on the settings icon next to it. A window will pop up showing your existing lead stages. To add a new stage, click on the Add Picklist Values button. Type the name of your new lead stage in the provided field, for example, Demo Scheduled or Negotiation. Once you've entered your new lead stage name, click the Save button. Your new stage will now appear in the list of available stages. You can drag and drop the stages to reorder them based on your sales process. Remember to save your changes by clicking the Save Layout button at the top. Congratulations, you've successfully added a lead stage to your Zoho CRM. This customization will now help you track your leads more effectively, improve forecasting accuracy, and ultimately boost your sales performance.